Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by downloading Equalizer APO from the official source and run the installer. Choose your microphone from the device list during installation and enable it. Reboot your computer when the installer prompts you to finish setup. Optionally, download and install the Piece GUI for easier preset management and visual controls. Use Piece to quickly view bands and preamp options without editing text files. This initial setup ensures system-wide processing for your microphone and makes later tuning faster and safer. Open the APO configuration editor or Piece and locate the preamp control first. Carefully raise the preamp between 6 dB and 12 dB to increase overall microphone loudness. Add a high-pass filter at 80 Hz to remove background rumble and low-frequency noise. Create a low shelf boost around 100 Hz from 3 dB to 6 dB for added warmth. Add a mid-presence boost at 3 kHz from 4 dB to 8 dB to improve clarity. Apply a gentle low pass if harsh. Record a spoken test file while monitoring levels in your DAW or recording app. Aim for peaks near -6 dBFS to preserve headroom and avoid clipping. If clipping appears, reduce the preamp by 3 to 6 dB and retest immediately. Listen for added noise. Apply a denoiser or reduce low shelf if hiss increases. Save your tuned configuration as a named preset in Piece or as a text file in APO. Enable automatic loading so your loud, clear microphone settings apply every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.